You can create viral videos like this. Within 1 minute, post them on social media, and gain thousands or even millions of views. But how do you actually make them? Let me walk you through the entire process step by step. First, check the video description. I've added a master prompt there that you can use to create this type of video. Simply copy the prompt. Next, open Google Flow on your device. Google Flow currently gives you 50 free credits every day, which can be enough to generate around 3 videos daily. Once you're inside Google Flow, switch to video mode and set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Then select the OmniFlash video generation model. Now paste the master prompt at the top. You'll notice 2 color options, Color 1 and Color 2. Replace them with color names. For this example, I'll select yellow as the first color and blue as the second. Simply hit Generate and let Google Flow create the video for you. While your video is rendering, make sure to subscribe to the channel.
Wow!
As you can see, the color transformation looks incredibly smooth and satisfying. Let's make another with exact same process.
If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AI video tutorial.